back in the XL, which is lovely because I quite enjoyed tinkering in my little race car. Just to give you a bit of an update, I have had this thing back on the track a couple of times now since you last saw it, which was what was the last video? The last video of this would have been the speed event series where me, Frank and a stack of other hooligans in XLs all belting around Collie Motorplex. And as far as the actual car goes, I haven't really done a whole lot of work on it. Well, my time has been taken up by not other projects, but just other duties of life. Running a small business of my own, that being Easy As Car Cleaning, hence the name of the YouTube channel. So yeah, so I haven't been working on the XL as much as I would like. Partly because it's been winter and this thing's been sitting in the backyard with the driveway blocked by the Kombi that's not currently running, and the Beetle in the shed because the Beetle belongs in the shed. I don't like my much loved little Beetle sitting outside in the rain and hail. So there's not a lot you can do when you haven't got undercover area to work in the middle of the rainy winter here in Pemberton. So that's why you haven't seen me getting much done on this. And I am currently been working on getting the sound deadening removed from inside, so I'll have a video on my alternative method for removing the sound deadening, as I believe most people try the dry ice thing. I didn't do that. I did something completely different. I've been playing about with other cars as well, so I've just recently purchased the Hyundai Terracan, which needed some work being done on it, unfortunately. So I had to play with that. And when I bought that, the intention was to get rid of the Blueberry. So I spent a whole bunch of time detailing that unnecessarily because I'm now using the Blueberry again while I wait for the Terry to get fixed. What else? What else are we doing on this? Well, I'm hoping to get some paint on it. Definitely going to get some paint on the inside here. So once all of this sound deadening's off, I'm going to scuff down the inside, probably take out this roll cage and paint inside the interior of the car. The dashboard may or may not come out as part of that process. I'd still like to get to the November round of the speed event series, so that's possibly going to stay there until after that. The dash really needs attention though, because it's basically being held together by the dash mat at this point in time. But yeah, pull that out, organise some of the wiring underneath there, which still needs doing. I'm not a fan of wiring by any stretch. It seems to make my head implode every time I look at a wiring diagram, so there's that. What else? I've got a new battery, so I'm going to move the battery around under the bonnet there, allowing me some space to move that pod filter so I can get a bit of a cold air intake rather than the hot box that it's currently. What else? Yeah, anyway, other bits to be done on the XL. Last track day that I just took it to recently, I was being chased around by one of the boys from Motec. Craig was, oh mate, that was so much fun. But I think I've busted one of my front wheel bearings from hitting curbs a bit too hard. So I'm going to revisit changing these bloody brake rotors and pulling apart the front hub, which is an unpleasant game in one of these things, which I don't have the tools for either. So maybe I've got to do that. What else? I'm really enjoying making these little videos. It gives me something to do of an evening when I'm unable or can't be bothered playing with the car itself. And yeah, a lot more fun than just sitting on the couch watching television, actually getting on the computer and creating some. So I think you'll see more videos of either detailing or my other cars. I want to do something with my Beetle because that's been sitting in the shed for way too long. I'm hoping I can do some more videos of other varying bits and pieces. Whether you like them or not, too bloody bad. I'm going to make them anyway. Not because you want to see them, but because I enjoy making them. And that's what this YouTube channel is. This is just me entertaining myself, really. If you want to watch, all the better for it. And if you don't, I don't really care. It's not about the views or the subscribers or the whatever. It's just about having some fun. If I offer somebody any tips and tricks on how to get things done, trust me, that's a pure accident. I'm sure there's far better videos out there to teach you actually how to do things. If I inspire somebody who perhaps is only just getting involved with cars, maybe you're not mechanically minded at all. Trust me, I'm not very mechanically minded. I'm just a bit of a problem solver. I'm quite willing to dive headfirst into a problem, generally after reading the instructions and figuring it out as I go. I'm not trained in any of this stuff that I do. I've got a lot of experience washing cars, and that's about it. Oh yeah, so if I inspire somebody else to jump in and have a crack, then that's a bonus, I think. That's a bonus. I've dribbled shit for long enough now, I reckon. Yeah, I'm going to do some more work on this. I shall have another video for you on the progress of the XL very soon. Until then, thanks for watching.